Imagine putting your Claude Code inside a Nokia, guys. I mean, this is what I was imagining here, and I think it's totally possible. Here's an example of the interface of how it looks. And I name it NokAI. And for sure you've heard about this phone before, and you've had it maybe, and probably I've had it before, and it was quite an epic classic brick phone. And I was like, okay, why not make and put our agent, which is basically Claude here and from the right hand side. Why not put him inside and just have a talk with him? So hey there, say hi to everyone. So right now here, guys, this is the exact same Claude Code CLI that you're running inside your computer. And
hey
just
everyone,
to the session.
Thanks for tuning in. Good to have you here.
So tell us a joke about brick phones and AI agents, for example. And you can just talk same as you have your Claude Code or your Codex agents voice to voice, same as the CLI, just connected to your brick phone. And now imagine you can use it as an application. So same as I did it even with my
here
marketing
goes.
OS. Oh,
so this brick phone walks into a bar with an AI agent, right? Bartender says, what'll it be? Phone's like, just a notification update. But the AI's already ordered everything before he even finished talking. Brick phone never stood a chance.
Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. It's not so funny. Tell me a funnier one, like how AI will not take over the world. And once again, guys, here, of course, we can just, in the meantime, we can just put it here. Maybe I should have removed the sound here. We can move it to the settings. And for now, I made sure it works with Claude. It works also with Codex.
Here's
for
one.
Sure. Maybe we can add
Me
some
taking
chess
over the world?
games here.
Nah, I can't even figure out which folder you want me to read from without asking 3 times. World domination's way above my pay grade.
Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. At the same time, I was just playing this fun snake game, and of course we have here suggestions, yeah? So crack another joke, I can just press on 1, and it will give the suggestions. And I imagine using this for business. I mean, just jokes aside, of course it's a phone, but it gives you suggestions. This is a layer, like voice to voice, same execution, same as you have used with Codex, perhaps, like voice mode, it's fantastic. So same goes with Claude, you can use it also
Alright,
with
one
other
more.
agents.
You know what's
Let's hear that
scarier
one.
than an AI taking over the world? An AI stuck on a Nokia 3310 trying to type out its master plan. By the time it hit send, civilization's already moved on.
Perfect, guys. So this is the power of it, and at the same time, because right now I'm building my AI Marketing Hub library application, I even put here, you can see here on the right, I have my phone here, so the exact same guy here, I made it as a different agent connected to my AI Marketing Hub Pro library. So this is my marketing OS that I'm currently building, but this is an application, guys. This is a web app. Hey there, so can you hear me? Of course, we can also change voice, so there's also settings here. There's also key clicks, tones,
crystal clear.
Still got you.
So the same exact one I have made here in a different Nokia, more progressive for our AI Marketing Hub community. But guys, this is open source, yeah? It's there, it's free. You can just find the link down in the description just for information. You can just easily install it. If it does not work on your computer, just troubleshoot a bit, because for now it works on my Linux system. It works with my Claude. On Codex, I think it's the same exact principles. But here, the main point here, let me just cut it on one presentation exactly of how it is and what it does. But first, before that, because I was telling you about the voice, right? I mean, you can choose your voices. There's Ava, there's Andrew. So, hey there, Andrew, what's up? So this is another like voice. Of course, you can change your voices. I put 4. You can put more if you want. Here, you need to have your computer a little bit okay-ish, powerful.
Actually, it's Claude, not Andrew. But all good. What's on your mind?
Okay, so I hope you got the point. Of course, I like Ava, so I'm gonna put that. Mic sense, key tones, key clicks. You can, of course, guys, you can wipe code on top. You know, you can add your own functions here. It's quite easy. It's not like rocket science already. The main point here is that, once again, the voice model here is we're using Whisper local model, so everything here is locally. Yeah, there's no API keys or whatever. Quite simple to install it, quite simple to set it up. You'll need to have, I think, at least maybe 4 GB of your RAM. Just there for the transcript tool to transcribe your voice and to get it. So once again, NokAI, this is the application itself. The brick is back and it talks right now. So again, guys, the same concept. Of course, it's not just a phone. You can put it even in like an AI agent, AI voice agent, or whatever you have. You don't need maybe to pay for ElevenLabs or any other like a voice-to-voice application. You can use the same exact thing. At the same time, you can even craft on top of it. Maybe you can craft something really interesting, and I cannot wait to see what others craft. So if you have any cool ideas on this, just drop a comment right now there. So what it is, it's a Nokia 3310 in the browser, NokAI Claude on the line. So just put it Claude. If you want to put it on Codex, you can just vibe code it here. Let's adapt it to Codex. So no API keys needed once again, because everything here is locally, and no middleman, nothing. Everything runs on your computer, on your CPU, GPU. The wire is once again simple. So my microphone is linked to the application. This is browser, just a browser control. It's like a bridge, MCP server in a way, from my local session to with my agent here, like on the right. Here's using a different agent. Here I'm using Haiku just for the speed of it. Of course, you can do it even more stronger. You can put even stronger models, but it'll take longer for it to respond. So process once again. So your mic, then it goes to you, the mic, the whisper. Here we're using CUDA. We have then Claude CLI, then HTTS for transcript, and then the speaker you back to you. So this is basically voice, text, voice. Quite simple to understand. So the call is green key. So here we have just a few buttons, everyone. You can go wild. You can create your own BlackBerry if you want to. I mean, it's up to you. Here is the live call. So hey, we are having a live call right now. Testing.
Got it. We're live right now. Testing's running smooth on my end.
So can you tell me
what do you want to show them?
Perhaps. So can you tell me another joke?
Sure thing. Why did the AI agent break up with?
But I hope you got it, right? So this is basically live call actions or live call to call. So you don't need to always press the transcribing text, but it's again quite easy to just press this button. But this is the menu.
What's up?
So we have the transcript. So all the talk we had here, we can just scroll up. We can see all the chat we had between. So this is like messages in a way. This is the transcript that happened. At the same time, we have Snake. If you want, you can add your own games. So Snake is quite cool. It's the classics. Maybe you can remove the sounds. So you can remove the sounds or anything inside the settings, as I mentioned before. So keytones, you can just turn it off, and you will not have any more of this on the voice. You can change your voice also for the agent. And I would say basically that's it. You can just remove any sound if you want, if you don't want this clicking sound, but just for the fun of it, right? And also that's it, guys. And then at the same time, the AI here will always suggest you something. So 1, 2, and 3. And you can just press 1, 2, and 3. I was thinking maybe to add another menu, you can just scroll down with the button, because this is exactly what I did here in my Marketing Hub OS. It will give me at the same time also like the possibilities here to do different stuff. So I hope you get here the concept. Like you can do different stuff with it. You can just go wild and creative. It's there. There's a specific license on it because we're using that one from CUDA, right? So all the credit goes to them. Other than that, you can just use this infrastructure. I mean, you know the drill, guys. Go wild, create your own thing. And yeah, cannot wait to see also what you craft. So going back to that, every answer ends with 3 moves, as I mentioned before. So 3 suggestions we'll have. You can also play Snake till your agent will want to craft it for you. And yeah, Nokia 33, NokAI to you guys. Once again, tell goodbye to all of them. I was just showing you around, so thank you, homie.
Thanks for having me, everyone. Appreciate you stopping by.
Take care.
Catch you next time.
We're going to be down in the description. Press that like, press that subscribe, and join our community. Have a good one. Ciao, ciao.